Good morning, party people. We are back and I am doing a what I eat in a day video today for you guys. A lot of you guys noticed that I've dropped a little bit more weight. I've lost 5 pounds, and so I wanted to show you guys through a day of my eating and what I've been doing basically in order to do that. We're gonna go to my kitchen and make some breakfast, and I guess I will just talk you guys through all the meals that I have in the day, update you guys as I go throughout my day. So for breakfast this morning, I'm actually gonna go ahead and have oatmeal. I need to have a good hearty breakfast because I have a doctor's appointment, then I'm going to the gym for leg day, so I need to be fueled up for my leg day because that is the most that is the most heavy workout of the week. So I'm gonna have a bowl of oatmeal, which I make with half water and half milk. I might have had a brain fart there. So I'm just gonna have a bowl of that, and then I'm going to go run my errands, and I will be back with the next thing that I'm eating for you guys. Okay, so it's a little bit later now. Oh my god, I look so oily. We are back from the gym. I actually need to go take this makeup off. I wore makeup at the gym and I never do that. But I wanted to quickly make a protein shake first of all, because obviously you need to eat within 30 minutes of working out. And I've been trying out protein and shakes from the brand 310 Nutrition, and I wanted to share them with you guys because I think it's really cool. They can be used as a protein shake along with like eating real food throughout the day. Or you can actually use them as a meal replacement because they come with like 20 different nutrients in them, which is insane. So you're actually getting your nutrients in. I know I am the pickiest eater and tend to eat a lot of the same things every day. So I'm probably lacking in the nutrient area. So that's why I also like to have them. But they are great as like a post-workout snack because they have 7 grams of carb, 15 grams of protein, and 90 calories a serving. Okay, so you can see I just shook that up. Let's see what this one tastes like. It actually tastes like mocha, you guys. It reminds me of like one of those little Starbucks drinks. I think the almond milk with this one really kind of took it next level. I'm gonna go ahead and have this and edit some videos. But if you guys want to try out the 310 starter pack for yourself and save 70%, which is insane, and get free shipping over $50, make sure to check out the description bar. I will have a code for you guys as well as a link to where you can try it out yourself. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. I have been loving it. So guys, after that shake, I've just been pretty much editing a fashion video for you guys, which takes me forever. I am the slowest editor. I don't know why, and editing always makes me hungry. So it's been a couple of hours that I've been sitting there, and I'm going to make some lunch now. You guys could actually have the 310 shakes as a meal replacement, which I did, but I count it as a snack rather than in place of one of my large meals. So I like to have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, like actual breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So yeah, for lunch, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take one of my coconut wraps, which are low carb little wraps that I have. There's 7 grams of carbs in them, and they're made all out of coconut meat, which is insane. They don't taste like coconut though. I'm gonna put on a few slices of turkey bacon that I pre-cooked. I'm gonna shred that up. Add some lettuce, add some cheese, some Daiya cheese, which is a vegan cheese that I've been using to cut down on my dairy a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and poach an egg and add that right on top with some mayo, I guess. Probably some mayo and some ketchup. I just had lunch. I just want to try one of these lemonades. So let's do a taste test of the Blackberry 310 lemonade because I'm really excited to see what it's like. It says on the packet to mix 16 fluid ounces of water with 1 sachet. That's what happens when I try to be too fancy. You guys saw that water spill. But here is the lemonade. It's actually purple, you guys, or like pink. Let's have a taste test. It's actually really good. It's sweeter than I thought. It's not like a bitter taste, but it kind of reminds me of one of those like Starbucks refresher drinks, like the acai drinks. Okay, so in the starter kit, you actually only get 3 sachets of lemonade. So I'm definitely going to be placing an order for separate things of these lemonades because sometimes I even struggle to get in 64 ounces of water a day. That means I have less plain water to drink and more fun water to drink, and I don't have to be a boring squirrel all the time. So it's a little bit later in the day. I'm just still editing, to be perfectly honest with you guys. It's been one of those lazy days at home, just taking care of work, but I'm gonna have a little snack. I'm gonna have some cucumber, I think, with some dip, and then also some kind of a fruit. I like to have cucumbers with dip a lot because obviously cucumber is very low in calories and it's mostly water, so it's very hydrating. And then fruit also is a good way to get a little sweet fix because I need something sweet, you guys. I am a sweet tooth. Final meal of the day, you guys. Yes, I'm actually just sitting here stalking the UPS driver. It's actually gonna be a dish of chicken and veggies. I'm trying to keep my carbs low at the moment and my protein protein higher. So I know I didn't reach the best protein goal today necessarily, but I try to do as best as I can. But chicken will get in a good 30 grams of protein, so I'm gonna cut a chicken breast up and have a side of veggies and maybe some other type of carb as well. I'm not 100% sure yet, but that's gonna be my dinner. And that, you guys, is my what I eat in a day. So that's basically how I've been eating every day. Some days I may have a protein bar as well, or like some kind of a Lara bar as a granola bar snack in the day, but mostly I've really been trying to keep the carbs low, the protein high, and to really be eating clean whole foods as much as possible. So I hope that gives you an idea. It's been really successful for me in terms of losing weight. I would say I've lost about 5 more pounds since I lost weight myself. So I'm sitting at like 133 right now, which is great. So yeah, make sure you guys check out the link in the description box to get your own sample box 70% off at 310 Nutrition, because that is an awesome deal. I have really been enjoying their products and I know you guys will love it too. And if you guys want more food diaries, weekly food diaries, and what I eat in a day, let me know in the comments below, because I like to do what you guys want to see. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.